What's going on, guys? It's Cavi Low here. I haven't uploaded in a while, so I'm gonna give you guys a new little update about my life. I moved into an apartment in the city with my girl, the wife. Anyways, apartment check, tour thing, whatever. Anyways, first thing you see when you walk in the door: Crocs, bright red shoes, more Crocs, laundry. Laundry day soon. Microwave. Cook anything you want in there. I don't give a shit what you do with it. Pretty cool. And moving into the kitchen, we got some cooking stuff. Space. Cool stuff in there, Whatever. Nice, Boom. Check that out. Done. Nice. Anyways, we got a bunch of shit here. I'd cook with that. Just kidding. I really can't cook the best. Whatever. This is where we do dishes and shit. Oh. Confidential. Classified info. Right there, though. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I like that. Dishwasher thing. Nice. Cloth stuff. Sink. I actually bathe in this. Don't tell anybody. Pretty cool. Closet stuff. This came off track, so I fixed it. I don't know if it's gonna work again. Is it gonna do it? Anyways, yeah. Shoes, stuff like that. I fixed it. Nice. Cool. Moving on to the living room. Pretty cool. Oh, by the way, this is like my third time doing this. But anyways, we got an old chair. Some stuff here that's cool. We got couch, my side right here. Perfect view. Look at that. Boom. Great. Modern. Nice. Boom. Pop it down. Boom. Done. Up you go. Fan. Nice. Pee chair. Actually, funny story. So I'm actually pissed in that chair. Funny story. Stuff, paperwork stuff. Table. We got candles over here. You know what I mean? We being fancy. Fancy and shit. Nice. Spare room. Pretty much the brick goes down here. Nothing. Except there. This here I am not touching. I will not touch a single thing on this. Because if it moves even the littlest inch, like this much, she will notice and I will get beat. Okay? Boom, look at that. I could put my phone right here and make myself look pretty. Nice. Boom, look at that. Cologne and all that shit. Little tiny boots that I wore with a kid. Jewelry box, fans. I had to cover up something there. Nice. Anyways, this is her laptop. I use it sometimes. Quite a bit, actually. Bunch of stuff. I got a shirt in there. I had to wear that someday. Boom. Don't ever use that for some god reason. We attempted to make a shoe rack, got a shoe rack, but it broke. It is what it is. This is a pretty quick one because it's a small one. This is where I live. Actually, this is actually where I live. I actually paid like $5,000 million per month to live in this here. Like, this is like limited edition everything. Like, look at that. George Foreman. Sick. We got like a quesadilla maker thing. We got some mason jug thing. We got an air fryer. That's expensive. Water. Sick. This. Easy. This is where I rest my head at. This is actually like where these are my dishes. That's my poop bucket. I poop there. No, I'm just kidding. I don't poop there. I actually poop right there. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I sleep right there. It's pretty cool. I hit my head sometimes on that. It hurts. But I got a sweet light switch. It's pretty mint. Here's my drinking tube. She comes. The wife comes in once in a blue moon. Fills this right up with water, and I got like enough to last me like a day. So I have to bug her sometimes. It's pretty cool though. Pretty sweet living space. Anyways, here I'm not allowed to touch this sometimes. This is all the stuff that like. If you want to come over, we can. You can stay with me in here. My sick house. Pretty cool, yeah. We can put some video games in there. Sick. But yeah, anyways, we got some basics, some necessities of life. Oh, we got snuggles. Snuggle. That's what the wife's gonna do when she comes home. Snuggle. She better be. Anyways, here's the great part. Right there. Right there. Look at that. That right there, I poop. Right here. I spend half my life here. My view. You want to see my view when I sit down? This is my view every day. All day long. Anyways, I shower there. Sometimes I make poopy there. I make poopy here too. There's a mirror. Hair dye. Let me know in the comments, should I do this? Should I just do this randomly? Just dye my hair purple? Let me know in the comments below. I will do it, actually, if I get enough comments. Anyways, into the master bedroom. Bunch of lamps and lights. Are pretty sick, pretty modern. Her dresser. My dresser. Her dresser. Her closet. That's basically it. My stuff's over in the other room there in that closet. Didn't show you guys that. But we got a cool fan here. It's pretty sick. It's really nice and cold. Comes with a remote, but I don't know what the remote is. Oh, right over here. Check this out. Check this out. Watch. Power. That's sick. Yeah, so that's, I got my touch on this. But it's pretty cool around here, guys. I know this was really short. Amusing, fun. Interact with me. Come on now, guys. I did this 3 times. You guys better like and subscribe on this video and hit whatever. Please do, the love of God. Crocs, mint. You know what I mean? Just for the love of God. Help me out. Look at this shit. Like, look how sick this is. Spin around in circles. Spin around in circles again. Boom. Walk out the door. Boom. There's me. Nice. Boom. You know what I mean? We got the basic stuff here. Got a cool fan from my old house. You know what I'm saying? Got a balcony here. Mint here. You know what I mean? We got everything. We got everything you need. You know what I mean? Like, whatever. You know what I mean? It's pretty sick. I'm just wasting time to make this video 10 minutes because this is how we do things, right? We dance. There's an octopus. Check this shit out. Watch this. You flip it, you hit it, boom. Look at that. Angry. Then you flip it again. Check this out. Sorry. Hey, babe, you're watching this. Sorry. Boom. Happy. Boom. Got a stuffed animal. His name's Rufus. 1 minute fair. Sick. Anyways, yeah, we got necessities here. My stuff. You know what I mean? Got some old man stuff going here. Getting old. That's my sweater. She wears that too. And every single bit of my clothes she wears. It's hers is mine or whatever the fuck that word is. You know, we got cards, you know, because gambling in your own home, sure. You know, Fast and Furious stuff. She has like some Scooby-Doo stuff there. She loves Scooby-Doo. Plants. More plants. Cups. Cool. You know what I mean? It's pretty sick spot. Oh yeah, that's a giant ass clock. If you cannot see this clock when you walk in, you can't read the time on this, you are blind. I'm just kidding, I am blind too. But yeah, guys, this is the new apartment. You'll be seeing a lot more videos coming out from this apartment. So I hope you guys love this video, interact with me. Tell me if I should dye my hair purple, the whole, everything. Not just highlights, everything. I will do it. So subscribe to the channel for more content of this little apartment, beautiful little apartment. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So like and comment. Let's get it. Peace.